Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the hostel management software using Python. So this is the registration page. So you either have to first register and then log in with that particular same email ID and password. So I'm just entering with the email ID and password and click on the login button. So it will open the home page. Okay, you can change the password. This is the student module. It will store all the student data in the database. Okay, this is the room allotment module. You can allot the room to particular student, and this is the checkout option. Let's close it. And this is the student module. This is the room fees module. Like, it will store all the data of the fees. This is the fee status details, and that is the balance. It will show the balance. Okay, let's close it. And now close that module. And this is the food bill module. You can add the transaction like type, amount and description. It will show all the transactions of food. And this is the visitor module, where like whenever any visitor come and go, so it will store all the data of that visitor. And this is the setting module. Now entering the email ID and password and click on login button. So it will show the modules, user module. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.